Hello Keepers! Today I will demonstrate how you can seamlessly integrate your Graphly dashboard with your Keap account by installing a simple browser extension. Here I am inside of a Keap account. This particular Keap account is on the Max Classic Edition. Now, I just downloaded the Graphly extension. Once installed and toggled on, you may need to refresh your Keap account to see the update take effect, which will occur right up here. Let's do that. Do you see that little Graphly icon in the main menu now? When I click on that, my Graphly dashboard loads. I can still do everything I'd usually do within Keap, like building campaigns and whatnot, and I can still do everything I'd usually do inside of Graphly, like switching between dashboards, building new reports, etc. This same extension works for newer editions of Keap as well. In fact, let me switch to another Keap account that is on the Ultimate Edition and show you what that would look like. Now, Keap Pro, Keap Max, and Keap Ultimate utilize a sidebar menu, and the Graphly extension works flawlessly with all of these editions. Again, I can still access my contacts, sales, marketing, and automation stuff, but now I have this Graphly menu item that when clicked, displays my Graphly dashboard right where I'd want it, inside of Keap. How smooth is that? I mean, seriously, integrations don't get any tighter than this. So if you're looking to seriously upgrade Keap's native reporting with Graphly's robust visual reporting capabilities, go to graphly.io, create an account, install this extension, and gain access to actionable insights you never knew existed before. That's it for today's demo. I hope you found it helpful. Until next time, happy charting.